Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for gadgets and Gizmos business, easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to start for free, so you can get started free. Now let's get started, and it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, now wait a few seconds. As you see here, this is the dashboard, and here where you're gonna set up your website and the storefront. So click here and it will take you to the editor page, here where you're gonna design your website homepage. So click on the settings and go to the templates and select the topic or the theme you want to use here. Okay, there is a lot of themes here, and choose one of these images of the gadgets. So for example, okay, I need to choose one. um, okay, I'm gonna choose this one here. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to go to the cover and the headline and change the site logo. You can change this logo, enter the logo as image or as a text as you like. Okay, after this you can manage this navigation menu here. If you want to add the menu item also you can add. That's it. The design here, the design of any section on your website, you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive to anyone can visit your site and attract to your website and your business. So make sure, don't forget the simple details like the font and the size, the color. Okay, you can also add the frame outline, the background. Choose your favorite background. Okay, I'm gonna just keep this one here. uh, that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. An attractive this description that match with the title. Of course here you can change this one, and in the description I'm gonna introduce my business. Okay, so for example you can type welcome to our site for gadgets and gizmos business. Okay, that's it. You, you have to change the image, so go to the browser and search on gadgets and gizmos. Okay, now you can choose one of these images, so it depends on your products. Okay, and your business. So I need just a simple image. So okay, um I didn't found anything here, anything special. uh okay, I'm gonna choose just a random image, like this one, or maybe this one here. Okay, so just a simple image. You can keep this if it's matched with your business. Okay, and after this go to the design and change the title font, the size, the description font. Okay, That's it. Now choose your favorite layout. Of course, I'm gonna choose just a simple one. Okay, I'm gonna select this one here. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the next section. So here the same thing as normal, add the title and the subtitle and the description. You can change it, you can keep it if it's matched with your business, and the image you can change it. I'm gonna keep this image like this. So let's move on now to the next section. The same thing. Let's move on to the brand slogan section here. The subtitle, and here you have to add the subtitle, the description, and of course you can change the image from your library or whatever you want. And the design, choose your favorite one. Now let's go back, let's move on to the next section. Here you have to add an attractive description that matches the title. You can I'm gonna change this one here, the title. And in the design, choose your favorite one, like this one here. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section, the store. So here you have to create your products. So to do that, go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. Okay, right now click new product, and as you see here you have to add the product gallery. So go to the browser and select, for example, this one. It depends on your product. So for example, if anyone have this type of gadgets, you can take a picture of your product, okay, and add it here. That's it. The name, here you can enter the name of your products, the REF, the weight on kilogram, and you can customize here the prices options. Here you have to enter the product, the description of your product. Now if you're done from this place here, go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background and the title. Don't forget to save this after you're done from here. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section, bestseller highlights. So the same thing here, nothing special, and the same thing as normal. Change this description, you can keep it if you like it. The design, choose your favorite one. Okay, now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. The same thing here, you have to change this description. So and here you can use this space to talk about your products and your services or your experiences. You can talk, or you can explain why should your customers buy from you or use your services. So you can type here your typography or whatever you want. The layout here, choose your favorite one. Now let's go back and let's move on to the next section, customer care. So the same thing here, nothing special. The design, choose your favorite layout, and don't forget the background, the simple details is more important. Okay, now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section, the contacts. Here you can use this one, for example, we are always happy to see you. Okay, you can enter your business address here, enter your exact postal address or the plus code. Here you enter the plus code or whatever you want. Here you have to enter the daily hours. Enter the contact information, the social profiles, and the design, choose your favorite one. I rather choose this layout here of the map and the background. Okay, now let's go back, and then the last section here, the footer section. So you have to enter here your company name for the copyright, and that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. That's it. If you're done from designing your website, you can just publish it, and now your sites will be published. You can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.